thanks for joining us today. I'm Colleen and this is Sophie from Our Blessed Life, and today we're going to be doing a cleaning video. Pretty much going to be cleaning the whole downstairs. So if you like the content, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, we hope you'll subscribe. Thanks for joining us.
I can't believe someone like me is here with somebody like you. There's something about you and I know why.
So I started out making up the beds, and as you can see, I had a little helper join me.
It's high and low and in between, and I am glad to let you know, but only if you give me a kiss. Yeah, it's no secret at all. It's so obvious to all of us. Yeah, you're perfect, from the way you laugh to the way you behave when you're mad. So perfect, when I see you dance, spin my world around and around. Ooh, I know that you're worth it. Ooh, 'cause girl, you're perfect, amazing. That I'm kissing you, it's not what you expect from someone so perfect.
Sophie's bed is really difficult for her to make because it's against a wall, so we like to let her learn how to do it by helping Katie with her bed.
You pick me up when I'm down, and that's just one of many things that makes me believe that you're a dream. Yeah, it's no secret.
Then it was time to tackle the kitchen.
It's so obvious to all of us. Yeah, you're perfect, from the way you laugh to the way you behave when you're mad. So perfect, when I see you dance, spin my world around and around. Ooh, I know that you're.
At the same time, while I was cleaning the kitchen, I was having conversations with my mother-in-law, who was going to be picking up my girls later that afternoon to spend the weekend with her.
From someone so perfect. From someone so perfect. Yeah, you're perfect, from the way you laugh to the way you behave when you're mad. So perfect, when I see you dance, spin my world around and around. Yeah, you're perfect, from the way you laugh to the way you behave when you're mad. So perfect, when I see you dance, spin my world around and around. Ooh, I know that you're worth it. Ooh, 'cause girl, you're perfect, amazing. Say I'm kissing you, it's not what you expect from someone so perfect.
I don't know why you're stressing, but I know that you will find it out in time. To be alone is depressing, and you're hurting, I can see it in your eyes. I know you will find your way from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you, baby. Why are you stressing? Why? I can promise you, you'll find a way in time. To find someone is a blessing. The love you find, you won't be able to deny. Just take this chance and fly away with me. Let's break your chains and give you time to heal. So I wait while you take your time. I wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take.
I'm just cleaning my sink with a walnut scrubber sponge from Grove Collaborative and some dish soap, but then once I finish that, I go back over it again with the Method antibacterial spray. I really don't feel like my sinks are clean until I use a disinfectant.
You know I see us together, strolling hand in hand and watch the sun goes down. For you I would do whatever. I'll pick you up where you feel your body.
now I'm going to clean my stovetop with Method stainless steel cleaner, which I also get from Grove Collaborative.
I want us to be for real now, real now. Oh, oh, oh. So I wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait.
This is a little basket that we got at Hobby Lobby that I keep on my island to contain little things that we use all the time, like our family prayer journal and napkins and things like that. But it tends to just collect junk, so every once in a while I have to clean it out.
Wait while take your time, and darling, baby, take your time. You and I till the end, don't need to pretend.
So since we usually eat at the island, our table tends to become a dumping ground. So now I'm just trying to get things put back where they go so I can clean the table and move on to my floors.
Say goodbye, we'll stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I till the end, don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down.
Here I'm straightening out my morning basket where we keep our history and also our Bibles and devotion materials for our homeschool.
In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high. You and I till the end, don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things together. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, we'll stick together.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight.
Here I'm just straightening up my homeschool room so that I can go ahead and clean the floors in here as well.
Windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Turning up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go. Just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back. Keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway.
So I'm using my O-Cedar spin mop on my wood floors, and I love this mop because it spins the water out and you don't have to worry about putting too much water on your wood floors, which you're not supposed to do. Also, the mop head comes off easily and you can just wash it in your washing machine and then let it air dry for the next time you use it. And I have this mop linked in my description box if you want to check it out.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. You, when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a
So right before I started cleaning, I went ahead and washed all of our bathroom towels, and now I'm just putting those in the dryer, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash all the rags that I used during cleaning, as well as the mop heads and things like that.
Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. I feel like I've let you go now. When you're looking like that, can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. Never-ending sunshine.
Okay, now everything's clean and tidy, and it's time to get ready to get my kids to my mother-in-law's house and go on a date night with my husband. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time.